In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Remove the white tabs on either side of the new wiper. Have this wiper handy, right in front of you. We're going to grab the wiper arm, flip the wiper up. Inside of here, there's a little push button. We're going to push on this button. As we do that, we're going to swing our wiper back and push straight down and disconnect the wiper from the arm. Grab the new wiper, line it up, and pull it onto the clip. Give it a push back, make sure it's locked on, and return the arm to the glass. Repeat the same process on the other side. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.